Explore how to automate the attack surface discovery using AI. Open the sidebar menu. Select the attack surface drop-down. And then click Discovery. On your first usage, you will be presented with a prompt. Enter a prompt that uniquely identifies your organization, such as the full name, commonly used abbreviations, brand keywords, industry type, or any distinguishing attributes that can help pinpoint your organization among others. And start the discovery. A list of discovered domains will show on the right. Select the domains you would like to include. And then click Confirm. This will add the assets as confirmed, and they will be scanned as part of the attack surface discovery. After that, you will be redirected to the attack surface page and a graph of your assets will be rendered. You can always expand the scope by discovering new organizations using the AI-powered discovery feature. To do so, go to the AI Agents section in the Attack Surface dropdown. Provide a new prompt to identify the additional organization you want to include in your scope. Select the assets you want. And confirm. After that, you'll notice that the new assets are added to your inventory and Attack Surface graph. Note that the confirmation and rejection of discovered assets is also handled by AI. To inspect the reasoning behind the AI decision, go to the asset you would like to inspect. There, on the note field you'll have a detailed explanation as to why the AI decided to reject or confirm the asset. This guide demonstrated using the platform's AI-powered attack surface automation. It covered steps to discover assets using AI.